Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts, and in this video we are gonna learn how to fix last scene is not showing or it's not working in Viber app. So maybe you are not able to see last scene of your friends or other account. So how can you fix this? After watching this video you will learn. So now let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see Viber app. So click on your Viber and then now go to more right bottom corner on your screen and scroll down a little bit, and here you can see the option settings. So this one, settings, click on settings, and then here you can see the option privacy. So click here privacy and scroll down a little bit, then here you can see the option send scene status. So by default it's check, but when you think that it's unchecked, it means other people cannot able to see your last scene or you are not able to see others. So when you make it check, then after doing this everyone see your last scene, or they you can also check them. Okay friend, I hope this video was short and effective tutorial for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.